I teach you how to fry up good chicken.
The cooking with Crack Baby in the kitchen. You in the kitchen with Crack Baby. So you know what I'm saying, getting together. You know, getting Crack Baby. You gotta get the barbecue sauce. You know what I'm saying, for the barbecue sauce or the barbecue rings. You know what I'm saying, that Crack Baby do so well. And then you got the hot sauce. For the hot sauce, you know what I'm saying? Hot sauce, I love the hot sauce. Like a crab pony for the hot sauce, you know what I'm saying? And then you got the barbecue sauce, you know what I'm saying? Then you got the flour, you know
That boy
what I'm saying?
always
The flour
playing
what
in
makes
that
it
flower,
happen. You
boy.
know
That
what
the
the
boy always
flour,
playing. That boy always
flour
trying to
what
turn
makes
himself
it
to Michael
happen.
Jackson in that flower.
So look
That
at
boy
that,
turned
look,
himself
straight
white in
flour, straight
that flower.
Straight
Boy,
flour,
that boy was
straight
trying to
flour,
sell wild
straight
flower.
flour, straight
That
flour,
boy,
straight flour.
that's the flower boy.
Straight flour, straight flour.
I
You gotta
don't
do
even
for it,
smoke
you gotta do
cigarettes,
for it,
man.
you gotta
I
do
ate
for it.
that soul weed. I had to smoke a cigarette and a blunt. I had to smoke.
Look at that, boy, look at that. That's just the season, man. What you doing, Greg, baby? I'm in the kitchen whipping that whip, gang. Whipping that whip. Ooh, whip, whip, whip. Hold on. No one time. Whip, whip. Reverse. Whip, whip. Get something. Come on, closer. Let me see. See that shit? Look at that.
They say your chicken ain't good if it don't make you want to tell on somebody.
Oh, man.
That boy always doing that
Boy, you better
damn dance.
stop
Boy, do that
dancing, cook
dance.
that
Let
chicken.
boy,
You
look
better
like
cook
that
that
chicken.
chicken.
Stop
Man, do that
dancing, boy.
dance.
You need that pick and lick your chicken. You better stop dancing and get them chicken done. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when you turn a trapper into a chef trapper.